Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, kung anong oras man ninyo pinapanood ang video na ito. So, for today's lesson, we're going to study how to solve for the percentile. So, previously, sa mga nauna nating video, diniscuss natin how to solve for quartiles and deciles for ungrouped data. So, this time, we're going to discuss how to solve for percentiles for ungrouped data. So when we say percentiles, percentiles are score points that divides the data into 100 equal parts. So ginagamit nating notation is P1, P2, P3 up to P99. The nth percentile, Pn, separates the lowest n percent from the other 100 minus n percent. Illustrating percentiles is the same way of illustrating the decile. Kung yung decile, hinahati niya yung distribution or data into 10 equal parts. So, sa bawat 10 parts ng percentile ay isang part ng decile. So, yung P10, katumbas niya is D1. P20, katumbas niya is D2. P30, katumbas niya is D3. P40, katumbas niya is D4. So, yung 50th percentile, katumbas niya is D5 or 5th decile. P60, katumbas niya is D6. P70, katumbas niya is D7. P80, katumbas niya is D8. P90, katumbas niya is D9. So, let's say for example, the 30th percentile. 30th percentile, kapareho niya is yung 3rd decile. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng 30th percentile? The 30th percentile or P30 is a number such that at most 30% of the data are smaller in value than P30 and at most 70% are larger than P30. How about the 50th percentile? So, yung 50th percentile is a number such that at most 1/2 or 50% of the data are below and above in value than P50. It is also the median of the set of data. So how do we solve for the percentile? So let's have an example. Okay? So that is the given. Okay, wait lang. Find P15, 15th percentile and P93 or 93rd percentile of the following data. So we have 17, 40, 35, 34, 36, 27, 30, 22, 19, 26, 37, 18, 45, 43, and 47. So, katulad ng mga nauna nating ginawa sa quartiles and decile, so let us arrange the data into ascending order. So, arrange natin siya. So, ano yung pinakamaliit na value? The lowest value is 17. So, we have 17. Then, after ng 17, we have 18. Then, we have 19. After ng 19, we have 22. Then, we have 26. After ng 26, we have 27. Then, 30. Then, we have 34. Then, we have 35. Then, we have 36. Then, 37. 40. 43. 45. Then, last is 47. So, yung n natin ay ilan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, correct. So, unahin natin yung 15th percentile or P15. Kung paano natin sinolve yung decile, ganun din ang pagsosolve natin ng percentile. We're going to use PK is equal to K over. So, since percentile na ang hinahanap natin, yung K natin ay over 100 na, hindi na 10. K over 100 times N plus 1. Okay. So, hinahanap natin is P15. So, let's use another bond paper. So, hinahanap natin is P15. So, P15 or 15th percentile is equal to 15 over 100 times 15 plus 1. Yung 15 na ito is yung N. Yung N, kung ilan lahat yung bilang nung data natin. Okay, let us solve. Pwede na kayo sigurong lowest term or pwede ring diretsong calculator. So, 15 over 100 times 16. Pwedeng 15 times 16 then divided by 100. So, P of K is equal to K over 100 times N plus 1. So, ang hinahanap natin is 15th percentile and the number of data N is 15. So, this will be P15 is equal to 15 over 100 times 15 plus 1. Then, 15 over 100 times 16. Then, multiply 15 and 16. So, multiply natin 15 times 16 is equal to 240. So, this is 240 over 100. So, divide natin by 100. This is 2.4. So, P15 is equal to 2.4. So, yung 2.4, this is between what data? Between the second and third data. Okay, so kasi 2.4, yung 2.4 nasa pagitan ng 2 and 3. So therefore nasa pagitan siya ng second and third data. So let us count kung ano yung second and third data natin. 1, 2, 3. So this one, the second and third data is 18 and 19. So this use linear interpolation. 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. Then yung 1, saan i-multiply? Doon sa decimal ng position. So 1 times 0.4 is equal to 0.4. And then yung 0.4, i-add natin doon sa lower data which is 18. Kaya ang sagot ay 18.4. So therefore, P15 or the 15th percentile is 18.4. Which makes sense kasi yung 18.4 ay nasa pagitan ng 18 and 19. Okay? Next, let us solve for P93 or the 93rd percentile. So you pause this video, you pause this video, then you solve on your own. Mag-solve kayo ng sarili ninyo, yung P93 i-solve ninyo. Then after you solve P93, you play the video para malaman ninyo kung tama o mali yung na-solve ninyo. Okay? So P93, so this will be K over 100 times N plus 1. So this will be 93 over 100 times 15 plus 1. Okay? So 93 over 100 times 16. Then you multiply 93 and 16. 93 times 16 is 1,488. So, 1,488 and then divided by 100. I-move nyo lang yung dalawang decimal place. O kung ayaw nyong mag-move Sige, divide nyo using calculator. 14.88. So, therefore, yung P93 can be found between, this can be found between the 14th and 15th data. So, magbilang tayo kung ano yung 14th and 15th data. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, yung dalawang nasa dulo, tama kasi 93% na siya, nasa upper half na siya nung mga data ninyo, mataas na. So, the 14th and 15th data is 45 and 47. So, this will be 47 minus 45 and that is equal to 2. Then, yung 2, saan i-multiply? Okay, very good. Multiply it to the decimal, which is 0.88. So, use calculator kung may calcu kayo. 2 times 0.88, that is equal to 1.76. Then, yung 1.76, saan idadagdag? Doon sa lower data, which is 45. So, 1.76 plus 45 is 46.76. Therefore, the 93rd percentile or P93 is 46.76. Okay? So, kung nagets ninyo yung decile, yung una kong tinuro sa inyo, madali nyo din lang magigets ang percentile. Kasi ang pinagkaiba lang niya is you divide the distribution into 100 equal parts. Yung decile naman, you divide the distribution into 10 equal parts. But basically, pareho lamang yung pagsosolve niya, yung pagkuha ng position and then the linear interpolation. Okay? Goodbye.